Almost there, let's go. All right, off to Dayton. It is 4:30 right now, and I'm going to drive 4.5 hours to meet this guy at 10 o'clock at night, pick it up, and then I'm gonna drive straight back here, hopefully get here by or before 3 a.m., catch a couple hours of sleep, because Eric will be here in the morning, and we'll be right back at this to get power up and hopefully make some noise with an air compressor, the oven, and the meat blaster. So close. All right, this is broke up. It's just taken so many weeks. I'm so sorry. It's kind of like all over. I'm in a ton of different outfits. I had a voice. I didn't have a voice. I have a voice. We're all over the place, but so close. So here we go. Let's get it.
You know I'm a run. Whatever I did, yeah. Fuck it, be me is the recipe. Stuff in my pockets with extra cream. Get my way and don't let it be. Don't get in my way like the Median. Ain't no measuring. Up to me, I grind harder than feta cheese. Up to me, I buy all of the 7 C's. Build me a home with 8 chimneys. Heated floors on his head on the bill on me. Hobby jet, take my family to Italy. Hope you bitches is ready to swallow me. Cause I'm coming up big like the lottery.
Yeah.
What's a good track car? Miata. Cheap, fun weekend car? Miata. Best car to haul my hairdresser supplies? Miata. No matter the question, Miata is always the answer.
Found my way out with a vision. Rounded the bases and made my wherever I go, you know I'm a run. Whatever I did, I did what I done. Wherever I go, you know I'm a run. Whatever I did what I done. Recognize, in my heart, I never died. In the dark, sunny side, from the start.
I think it's safe to say that our luck has officially turned around, guys. We are back, baby. We are fucking back. We're back. Yeah. Classic.
Hey guys, my name's Seth, and this is Clutter to Color. We're going to take this clutter and turn it into this powder coating shop. Come along for the adventure. We're bound to get into some crazy things.
Top of the morning, I'm feeling it. Keep it too real, gotta reel it in. Player the dealers, I'm really him. David the deal, now it's dividends. Stay with the horses, gone with the breeze. Speak from the heart, got her on her knees. I've been the hardest to make a green. Stayed in the darkness to some degree. I've been a winner since I'm a 10. I'm trying to kill it, I've never been. Greatest at being with only friends. Greatness in me come from money hands. Play it on being a funny man. Lay it down and do the runner man. I've been the greatest it's never been. Nowadays I'm giving only him.
Let's jump in and see where we get today. All right, this is fun. We're about to take this line. It's got measurements on it. And suck it down this pipe with this bag. So right now, Eric is setting up a vacuum, and we're going.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
Check this out. Oh, that was awesome! What? That was freaking sweet. That was so fast. He's literally in my basement, and dude, you can hear you clear as day. Sick. All right, let's go see if he needs anything inside.
Is it a calculator or go to alarms?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So 1983 minus 2061. So it's 78 foot.
Oh, cool. So under 100 feet.
Yeah.
Man, 78 feet in just a couple of seconds. Just shoo. Through the ground. teller style at the bank. Eric's making it happen. I'm having way too much fun. This might seem disingenuine. I don't even know if that's a word, but it is not. I am totally nerding about this. And it's cold out here, if you can't tell with my little Russian hat on. And he's just like, nah, I'm good.
You just gotta stay busy and stay warm.
Guess what? You're a bitch.
I got a wood fire going on in here. I keep walking up and cuddling up beside the stove. Like, what I do with the pliers? Let's cut the oven open. All right. Good. All right. There's one up here. See outside because it cover off, which makes way more sense. I had no idea how you access that stuff. I'm learning so much. Katie and I have rentals that I learned like some little stuff like why are all these track lights in? They also currently do not work. It's probably saying a lot, but this is neat. Just so much more thought out. Like the obvious difference between an amateur and a professional is so clear here, and it's fun for me to learn because I will still be an amateur. But now I'll be an amateur that realizes he did not do it right. So this is fun.
The brown spool and the wire that's on the ground, I just did that way I know what two I'm using for a hot since they're all the same color. When we get there, when I come out here, I can just phase these.
Yeah. Sweet, dude. All right, so we took my little rack and flipped it upside down, grabbed the grounding rod I'm gonna use for the powder coater and a sleeve of plastic, and tossed on just to make a little roll, and he rolled off the one distance based off the measurement, and we have it set out here, and now we're gonna start feeding it in. So he's gonna pull, I'm gonna feed. This is cool, man. This is
power in here in no time.
Oh, this is so cool. Oh man, if the air compressor makes noise today, I'm gonna freaking, I'm gonna be so excited. That's something I don't know doesn't work. And if it works for $100, I'm going to be jumping up and down excited. So, all right, let's get this thing pulled in so you can do the smart guy stuff. All right, I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. He is way in there. And with all that wire now, it's super muffled. So let's go check on him in the garage. Down to the final 3 foot of pull. It's going pretty good. So let's keep going. All right, we got a fire going because it's cold. Got some leftover supplies here, but power is in. It's tight. It is cut off and it is sealed up. Ha! Nice, dude. We'll high five on that one.
High five!
You've got to be smoked from pulling that wire.
It definitely kind of wore me out.
I bet it did.
The second pull, not so bad, but pulling all of that the first time, that was pretty warm.
I feel like you gave me the easy side of it, and it still sucked from my end, but oh man. Yeah, let's go. Katie was like, it's already filled in, and it's like you didn't even do anything. I was like, oh, thanks, son.
A little bit of grass seed, and you'll never know.
Yeah. Okay, chassis. we got our bellies full. It's a little smoky in here because of the wood stove. We got a splinter.
Now stand aside, worthy adversary.
'Tis but a scratch.
A scratch? Your arm's off.
No, it isn't.
Well, what's that then?
I've heard worse.
You liar.
Come on, you pansy.
I think it removed itself, but it feels like it's still there.
Sparkies are a talented group of human. With a knife and duct tape, they can fix the door open.
With silver sticky duct tape, woo. You can repair anything with duct tape, woo.
We got some power ran over here. I came up with some ideas. We're going to actually change this to repurpose the enough breakers, which are already in place. And now we're running some power overhead for a switch. And then we'll have another outlet there, one above there, and then one's gonna go over there, that area. So it's coming along nicely. Then hopefully the air compressor turns on later.
Hopefully.
Oh, that'd be such a sweet thing if it did. We're getting further along. And by we, Eric's doing all the work. I'm purely taking credit for this, but he's almost down to his last little wire hookup runs, which is gonna bring power over to the oven. And then we're gonna be able to use this big whip scrap as the jumper cable or the extension cord for the air compressor to the power, because he just got all this wire ran so nice. Oh, check out this. All that stuff is super nice and smooth, 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 smooth. That's me. And then it goes back to him, super smooth, all ran down nice and smooth. That's me. So he didn't do that, but right now he's getting all the stuff ran into the box. And then we'll just have the connection for the air compressor, which we're gonna use this big green wire, and the rest of the conduit. And we're gonna run it up and over, and then wire that in, and then later on, just because the stove is stupid hot, we've got this line here that is gonna run over there, be the outlet for either maybe that, but at least a window AC unit that'll set up there to keep this place cool. But, man, you've done a good job, Eric.
I appreciate it. It's went a lot faster than I thought it was.
I am so excited to show Katie this. Like, she's gonna be proud. This looks good. She likes good work. She is, yeah. Oh yeah, there's outlets. This quad outlet up here. There is a quad outlet over there. And then a quad outlet over here. And then a light switch. And as of now, the light switch is going to connect all of those external outlets. So there's now a quad pack of outlets on every wall and on the ceiling. Most times I expect these overhead lights to be plugged in like that overhead one up there. And the light switch will turn all the lights on, because when you're in here, you want the lights on. And when you're not in here, you won't need it. Or you'd have the roof up or the garage door up, and you can totally see to run the media blaster and stuff like that. So it wouldn't necessarily need the lights. But, oh no, that's gonna be on anyway, because the media blaster still gotta get plugged in for the vacuum stuff. So lights are on if you're in the shop. That's how it's been set up. But that saved us a couple hours of running additional wires and money too, because none of this is cheap, but Eric has somehow made it to where it has been affordable, and you can't do it cheaper than how we have done it. And that is awesome. So we're getting there. It's late too. I don't know what time it is, but it's getting pretty late on Saturday. So he's trying to stay as long as he can. I say he'd come back, but maybe even finish it all tonight. I think that's what's gonna happen. So we can take tomorrow and just hang out with the wifey and do some stuff. But oh my gosh, I'm getting antsy if the air compressor is gonna turn on. I'm not, I keep saying it's like a parrot, but I'm like, air compressor. But once this is all done, then I can do some more shopping. We got to Harbor Freight and get some media and some different things, and just to finish plumbing the air compressor over with air lines, that type of stuff. So Harbor Freight run hopefully tomorrow, and then finish this up. And we were talking, pretty sure we need to bring one of the, like a small smart TV out of here and bring one of the Wi-Fi extenders and plug it in. Since my Wi-Fi router is so close, it would totally pick it up just 30, 40 feet away. And then that way we can watch YouTube and stuff like that. Because when the Media Blaster run, it's loud, but when you're just powder coating, it's pretty quiet, and you could totally put Cletus up on the wall or Pandora or Spotify, whatever you want. So, oh, it's coming together. This is going really good. Really good. Here we are in the dark. The breaker's in, and the last wire is going on.
It's almost buttoned up.
It's like 12:30, maybe 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm so stoked. Hopefully this turns on. We walk outside, nothing's smoldering, and the lights to the Media Blaster are on. And that's how I know we'll have power to the Allens. Oh, this is cool. We're right there, man. We're right there. I'm cold and I'm excited. I think the low, he said, was in the 20s tonight. Oh, it's so cold in the spring. But this clean up tomorrow and then get the air compressor hooked up. But all the outlets are in. I'm so excited. Oh, man. Final little tune-up adjustments to get this in. Yes. The house booted up online. So that is a huge sign that it's wired correctly. Well, good news. That means that the Media Blaster light's on and we don't have a short anywhere because nothing popped.
Well, I have that breaker shut off.
All right, too excited, too excited. That's next. Okay, it's so late. Freaking excited. Give her the honors, sir.
Which one is going to run that?
Everybody come on quick, look at the lights!
That's it, dude. And if I flip the light switch right now, that should go out. Yes! Hell yeah, dude!
We did it.
Okay, right now we're gonna see if things burn to the ground. Nothing shorted. Let's see if this light switch. I can't tell anything either.
You're fired.
Oh no! We suck again!
Alright, I want to open it. Let me see if I can do that. Thanks for watching. And if you're into this kind of thing, please follow along. There's plenty more to come. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.